Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a beautiful poem which is written by Robert Frost, Dusk of Snow. Before we going to start this poem, just let me tell you about little bit Robert Frost. Okay, so Robert Frost is a man who born in America. So for that reason only he known as American poet, and along with that also he was known as a nature poet. Why? Because he is a nature lover. Clear? And in this poem, basically Robert Frost expressed the significance of small thing in changing one's attitude toward other. It means that in this poem, as you see, what is the title of this poem? Dusk of Snow. So when we go according to the literary meaning of this term, dusk of snow, we find that it means fine particles of ice. Okay, but if we go according to the Robert Frost, okay, so he used this term for the another reason, and he expressed hope and joy with this word. So basically Robert Frost having a two type of meaning, surface meaning and deeper meaning. Surface meaning is what beta, which goes according to the literary meaning, means dictionary के according, word meaning के according, like this only. And the deeper meaning is what? The meaning which it is not exactly the meaning, it is exactly the message that Robert Frost wants to convey from his poem. So in this poem, basically Robert Frost wants to say that when we are in an off mood, when we upset, when we depressed, when we are not in a happy mood, okay, knowingly, unknowingly, willingly, unwillingly, we ruin that moment. Why? Because we are not exactly in that moment. We are in a mood of sadness. So what happened? Just because we are not stable in a mental state and we feel not happy, so we just destroy that moment. Okay, so here in this poem Robert Frost wants to say that there is no need to ruin your mind. There is always a possibility to switch one. There is always possibility of what, to switching bad mood to good one. Okay, and how we goes from bad to good one, that how? By using this word dusk of snow. In this poem, poet Robert Frost says that dusk of snow is a what? A thing which help you to take you from bad to good one. Clear?